A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the extra puzzles. The extra puzzles, not in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, March the 11th, 2024. Told you earlier, there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, March the 9th and the 10th. We have 5 puzzles left. Here in this puzzle page, we have 2 puzzles. The 3 stars Sudoku, well, actually it's a 2 stars, and the binary. And in the additional 3 puzzles, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku. Let me start with this one. Yes. The 2 stars, well, it's indicated with 3 stars, but it's actually a 2 stars. Alright, let me zoom this in. Zoom. This one will be number, I believe, 8, 1, 6, and 9. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Well, 28, that's a lot. Usually a 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 printed digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about, well, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, there are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then 2, 9. Need a 7 here. Need a 6 there. 4, 5. Well, in this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 4. We have a 3, the 5, and the 4 in this column. So no 3, and the 5, and the 4 in these 2 boxes. 3, 5, and a 4 goes in those 3 boxes. As a triplet, yeah. 3, 5, and a 4. Well, we have also a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square from us. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright, 7. I need a 4 here. I need a 3 there. Okay. How about, need a 2 here. Need a 7 there. Alright. I need a 8 here. Need a 4 there. I'm thinking. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing number in this row is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. And we have a pair. The 4 and the 9 in this column. the 4 in one of those two boxes, and a 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. And look, we have 4 and a 9 in this third row, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 7. Okay. 9. No. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 6. We have 2 and a 6 in the middle row. No 2 and a 6 in these two boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. So no 1 digit left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. 5 is missing. Okay. 7, 8, and 3. Yeah. 3. Let me think. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Now, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 in these two boxes. So 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 831 9 7 5. Interesting. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. About these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes and there. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. On the last column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 7 and 5. Let me think. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the first row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here. On there, we have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Here also 1 is missing. No, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Well. Missing here a number here. Need an 8 here. Yeah. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left, and a 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then here need also here 5. Well, we have here 5, 8 and a 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. Look, we have 5 and a 9 in this row. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 8. So the 5 and a 9. Well, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 digits left in this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, well, 1, 3. How about these? Yeah. I need an 8 there. No. Need a 1 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 or a 3, we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 3. 4 and a 3 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Need a number here. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So the 4 and the 3 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 goes there, 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 8 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there, finishes in 30 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars instead of a 3 stars. Faster than 30 minutes. So please wait the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with a second puzzle in this puzzle page, the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.